Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could easily fix the failed to send messages on Snapchat. So if you have sent a message or to someone on Snapchat and it failed, but you don't know how to fix that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply check whether you are using a strong internet connection. Sometimes using a mobile data is very far better than using a weak internet connection. So first of all, secure your network and use a fast internet. Once you are done using the internet, you can check whether you are using the up-to-date version of the app or not. For that, head towards Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom, head towards search for Snapchat, and here simply update the app, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches the app, and sometimes most of the issues are because of no updating. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.